Get on back down here and take a look at that cell phone tower. See what kind of thermal imaging we can figure out with that thing. Let's switch the thermal and see what that says. Looks like we're running about 75 degrees ambient temperature. Let's see if we can see what these old transformers looking like back here. Damn, it's windy up there now. 105 right there in that box. Peaking at 111. Let's check some more of this stuff out. Ambient temperature on that. It's like a hot spot back in there. Oh my gosh. 120 degrees on that hot spot. Pull back out of here a little bit. A little too hazardous up in that shit. Get a real nice overall scan all the way down this. Ambient's 85 degrees. Right there, 115 degrees, right in the center of that box. Hope that's the right operating temperature. Switch back to visible and see if we can catch a nice orbit on this. Oh, I got 1 minute till sunset. I better get out of here. Let's go right back to the top right quick.